Patricia Tillman and I founded the African American Outdoor Association in the fall of 2005. And she is the Director of Multicultural Health for the state of Oregon. And so her background is public health. My background is outdoor environmental education, natural resources. And so it was a good partnership. And so we decided to set up a calendar to start hikes in the spring of 2006. Actually 2005 we started. And so, our philosophy is we have a lot of concerns about the health of African Americans and also the health disparity between African Americans and the majority population. There's a higher incidence of most deadly diseases, cancer, stroke, diabetes, kidney disease. And there are a number of factors that cause that, but one thing that we can do, and everyone can do, is just improve their lifestyle and be more physically active. And so that's what we're promoting, getting out and being physically active, but not just in your neighborhood, but also go out to natural areas that are, in a lot of cases, 15 to 20 minutes away from your own house. So you don't have to go up to Mount Hood or many miles in order to get into nature. That's one of the great things about living in the Northwest. But there are a lot of people that grew up here that don't go out, that tend to just stay in the neighborhood. Maybe the farthest they go is downtown, or from northeast Portland to downtown Portland. And that's a big thing. Or they go to Clackamas Town Center or something. And so they may get a little exercise walking up and down the mall, but they're not really seeing the beauty of the Northwest that belongs to all of us, because they're all public lands, and we all pay taxes to support those, so we should all take advantage of them. So we realized going into our third year that we had some people that had been attending every year and enjoyed our hikes, and they tended to tell their friends about it, and they were asking, well, what can we do, to help out? And so we started to train volunteers to be able to coordinate outings. And so what's involved in that is setting up with a host. For instance, if we have a kayak trip, then that person would be the liaison or the contact person to the kayak company. And so the people that would sign up, they would monitor the numbers of people that are coming. They would provide information about that outing. They would pick up our van and bring it to Dishman in the morning and serve as a hike leader or an outing leader. Sometimes there's a leader that's already kind of part of the organization that's hosting. For instance, when we go kayaking, there are always a couple of people with the kayak company that are doing the training. And so we're not asking our members or our participants to suddenly be a trainer or to know everything about the outdoors. Sometimes it's just the organizer, being the organizer to make sure that the trip happens.